Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set up and install WooCommerce, which is the very popular plugin for WordPress if you want to sell items on your website. So this is a new website that I've just started, a demo website, and I've just installed WooCommerce. So to install WooCommerce, you just go to plugins, add plugin, search for WooCommerce, and click install. I've already installed. After it's installed, you click on activate. So I've also activated WooCommerce. So after you activated WooCommerce, you should see the startup wizard. So it should look something like this. So depending on the version that you are using, I'm using currently the latest version. I think it's 9.8. So if you are using in future version 10, version 11, the setup wizard may look different. So I'm going to skip the guided setup in case the setup step is different. So I will bring you precisely to the setting that will need to set. So it won't change that often, okay, if I were to guide you from that way. So let's click on skip guided setup. And business location, I'll just select Singapore, which is my country. So waiting for it to activate the rest. Okay, so after you have skipped the setup guide, and it will bring you to this summary screen. So what you need to do to launch your store is that to customize your store, add your product, get paid, about the text, shipping option, then launch your store. So I will cover 3, 4, 5, and 6 in this tutorial. If you need me to cover adding product, you just let me know in the comments and I'll create a separate video on that. Yeah, because creating your product is quite straightforward. You can just go to products, then add new product. So I'll leave this to you. So the most important thing is that you need to set up how to get paid. So that's number one. Then the tax collection, that's number two, if applicable, and then your shipping option. Then we'll live the store. Okay, so let's start with getting paid. So in WooCommerce, the getting paid, okay, before we even go to that, so let's go to WooCommerce settings. Let's do your store address first. Okay, so this is also a very important first thing you need to do. So you need to type in your address and city and also country and your postal code here and which location you are selling to. You are selling to which country. If you are selling to only specific country, you need to put it down here. For example, let's say I'm only selling to my local. So for example, Singapore, they'll just select Singapore. So I won't be selling to other country. So these are the settings that you need to take care of by default, or you can leave them by default. So enable text. So if you want to enable text, then you need to check this option. We will come back to this later on. The currency, I'll select Singapore. Of course, if you are based in US, you need to select United States. So I'll save changes. So this is the first setting you need to do, which is your store address. So the second setting, let's go to payment. Payment is very important. So currently, the most popular payment that people receive payment is via Stripe. PayPal is not so common nowadays because of quite a lot of issues that my clients have been facing. So I would suggest that you use Stripe because Stripe can accept all kinds of credit card, debit card payment as well. So I will suggest you to use Stripe. So how to use Stripe is that you can go to plugin, we'll go to add a new plugin. So plugins, add plugin, and you can type in Stripe. Okay, so the Stripe plugin that I've been using for all my clients is this one, Payment Plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. The developer is called Payment Plugins, and you can find that the ratings is very good compared to other WooCommerce Stripe plugin. So just install this plugin. And before you install this plugin, please make sure that you go to stripe.com to create a new account and connect your Stripe account to your business bank account or to your personal bank account, for example. And then I click activate. Okay. Then this plugin will do it seamlessly to connect to your Stripe account. So this is already go to the Stripe settings. So just click on settings. So the mode, you can put it live. Okay, so it's very simple here. Just click to connect and it will link to Stripe website and you will enter your Stripe user email and password. After that, it will bring you back to this website and it's all connected. So it's very simple to set up this Stripe payment. So after that payment has been set up, then the next thing is to do shipping. So let's go to WooCommerce and click on shipping. So right now there's no zone, so you need to add zone. So add a zone. So for me, I will just do a Singapore zone. Region, I will select Singapore. And I will add shipping method. So I will add a flat rate. Continue. So this is non-tax. So a flat rate means for every order, I will charge a $10 shipping fee. So create and save. That's a flat rate. So I will also want to give free shipping if my customer order more than $100. So I will add another shipping method, which is free shipping, and click continue. And this free shipping, I will say a minimum order amount. So the minimum order amount is $100. After that, I create and save. Okay, so I have a flat rate, I have a free shipping. So if you want, you can move this above. So this free shipping will take priority. If someone clock $100, they will enjoy free shipping. If they order below $100, they will need to pay $10 for shipping fee. So after that, I click Save Changes. Okay, so if you want a more sophisticated shipping method like connecting to your respective courier provider, or even you want to do a weight-based shipping method, you just comment in the comments area. I will do a separate video on that. So we are now done with the payment, done with the shipping. And if you want to collect tax, let's go to general. Okay, so for most businesses, I know they are not collecting tax, but some businesses, if you need to, you may want to collect tax. So you just enable tax rates and collection, and then you click Save Changes. After that, you'll see that this tax option pop up. So you click on tax, and it will ask you the prices enter with tax. So which means that if you select no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. This means whenever you go to products, add product, the price that you add to the price that you state in each product does not include tax, which is most people will select this option. Okay, so the tax will separately apply to all the orders later on. Okay, so this no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. And this is all it is. After that, okay, so this is the default setting. Standard rate. So let's go to standard rate. So let's add a text. So for example, I'm going to insert row, country code. Okay, country code, we have to enter 2 digits. So for my country is SG. State, there's no state code. Postal code, okay, also nothing. City, also nothing. Rate, I will enter 9 because our tax is 9%. So GST, our name of the tax called GST. So this apply to shipping? No. Okay, so save changes. So once you enter this, it will apply a 9% tax to all the orders ordered in your store. Okay, so we have covered the tax, we have covered shipping, we have covered payment, and now we are ready to live the store. So when you go to general, when you go to WooCommerce home. Okay, so add product, I'll leave it to you. Or if you need my help, you can just post in the comment. Let me know to create a video on that. So now we can launch our store by going, you can clicking on coming soon. And now your store is set to coming soon. So you just select live and click save changes. Okay, then your store is live, but right now there are no products, so you need to go to products and add new product. So let me know if you need to find out more about WooCommerce other setting. But what I've gone through in the past 10 minutes is the essential that you need to set up in order to make your WooCommerce store live. So I hope that you find this tutorial useful. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.